So here we are on another video, and what we're doing here is replacing these little knobs on the back trunk lift cover, I guess is what you call it. The spare tire goes underneath here, and you also have a little bit of storage on the Toyota Prius. And as you can see, these knobs, where the screw goes is where it cracks over time, gets brittle, from, I guess from regular wear and tear, and they just break off. So I will show you how to replace these. I'll give you the part numbers where you can get them, because Toyota wanted over $100 for these. They're crazy. And I'll show you how you can get them much cheaper. But if you just bought a Toyota Prius and it's missing both, then you not only have to buy these, but you have to buy the part that goes on the inside. You also need this part number, which is the lever that actually does the locking mechanism, and the screw that goes right in the center. So I'll go ahead and show you that and how it's replaced. We already replaced this one. As you can see, both of ours broke, and it works just fine. It locks. You can actually hear it clicking. And then we're going to replace the one on the right side. Now, something of note is that they are labeled RH for right hand, and the one on this side is labeled LH for left hand. So if you just need one, they do have different part numbers, and I'll put that in the link of the video description below. So we're going to go ahead and replace this and show you how it's done. So one thing of note is you want to make sure this top part here goes on top and not on the bottom, and that's because on the inside you have these notches on both sides, but you can easily mistaken put them this way, and your notches will still go in there, but this part will be on the bottom, and you want to have this way on the top. So once you got your screw in there, and like I mentioned before, the top part of that inner piece needs to be on the top, you'll be able to put your hand on the other side and turn it and see that it works. What you want to achieve is this lever here has to kind of float along the top of this inner piece here, and that's what makes it click, those little bumps that you see there. Basically, here's one that we replaced that broke, and if you look at it, the metal piece has it almost looks like a fork where it drops into that plastic. So you can see there that little piece there in the middle, and the metal part kind of just drops into it. You want to make sure you get that. Once you have that, then you should be able to make sure it works. And they kind of turn opposite of each other, and that's why I mentioned before that you need to make sure you have the left LH and the RH. So this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. So they kind of turn opposite of each other. I don't know if you noticed that. So once it's unlocked or locked, it won't open. But once you unlock it, then it will open. So there you go. That's how you do it. And so if you want to replace these guys, I will post a link in the description below of the part so you get the right part. Remember, one is RH and one is LH. They are not the exact same part, so don't make that mistake and order the wrong one. If only one of yours is broken. If they're both broken, then you should be all right. But click on the video description where you'll see all that information. And until next time, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon.